So what's up everyone, welcome to my channel. So ever since my first video review of my SNK01K1, where I also showed my favorite watch, that is my Seiko SNKA23K1, I have been bombarded with many people saying that they wanted to see an unboxing and review of my favorite watch, that is the SNK23K1. So let's move on to the unboxing and review of this watch. And before we move forward, do watch this video till the end, where I will show that what are the next watches that I'm planning to unbox and review. And please do like, share and subscribe this video. This helps me a lot as well as motivates me to keep making more of such videos. So let's move on to the unboxing and review. This is the retail packaging of the Seiko SNKA23K1 watch. But before we move on to the unboxing and review, a brief history lesson about Seiko. So Seiko Holding Corporation, commonly known as Seiko, is a Japanese manufacturer of watches, clocks, electronic devices, jewelries and optical products. The company was started in 1881, hence you would surely understand that it's among one of the oldest players in the watch industry. Now, the Seiko 5 series is not a single watch, rather a series of watches which was introduced in 1960. The Seiko 5 moniker refers to 5 attributes that the Seiko 5 series watches should adhere to. Let me open this from this tab so that you can understand better. So, the 5 in the Seiko 5 series refer to the following attributes. First, it needs to have an automatic binding. Second, day and date display in the single window, that was rare at that time. Third, the water resistance, and these watches are rated to a water resistance of around 30 meters. Fourth, the back display case. So there has to be a back display case so as to view the mechanical movement. And last, the durable steel case and the bracelet. So the watches need to have a steel case and bracelet. And the Seiko company has manufactured numerous watches along these years under this Seiko 5 series. Want to know trivia about the Seiko 5 watches? So the NASA flight director Gene Kranz wore a Seiko 5 reference 61198460 during the height of his career. It was worn on his wrist when the Apollo 11 crew touched down on the lunar surface. Also, on his wrist, it was present when Apollo 13 explosion occurred. So yeah, this series has a history. And with history lessons over, let's move on to the unboxing and review of the Seiko SNKA23K1. This is the retail packaging of the Seiko SNKA23K1, one of the most affordable yet classic Seikos you will ever find. So if we check on the back, this is the retail unboxing and it says a price of around 8500, but you will get this watch around 7500 to 8000 depending upon the discounts anytime in the year. This is said to be a men's watch, but technically this is a unisex watch and anyone can wear given the case size. So let's see what's inside this box. So inside you get a case within a case, and I guess this will again be that history material. Yes, so this is the history material using which you can learn everything about watches. This here is the warranty card and it has 2 years of warranty. So we'll keep this aside. Now this is the box in which you get the watch. Whoa. Isn't this beautiful? Yes. So the first thing is that you don't get this watch with the leather strap. I changed this with a leather strap because I like the leather strap more. You generally get the watch with a thick steel strap, which I generally don't like, so I got it changed. You get this on this pillow. Let's bring out this watch. So this is the watch. So you get the watch with the steel band. Let me show you how it looks with the steel band. I have a complete 3 watch collection that I prefer to keep for myself. One is the Seiko SNKA01K1. This was the watch that I did for my first video review. Do check that video on my channel, and I will also link that video in the description box below. This is an indigenous HMT watch, HMT Pilot. This is an Indian manufacturer watch, and this is how you generally get the watch. A steel case and a steel bracelet. This is how you get the watches. So the 3 watches are part of my 3 watch collection. So we'll talk about this someday later. Let's put these things aside. Yes, so this is a 37mm case side watch with a crown a bit lowered down from the center. This is a 21 jewels automatic watch. What are jewels? So normally metals cause friction when they move, hence jewels are generally the gems that reduce the metal friction. So this is a 21 jewels automatic watch having 7S26 movement of Seiko. So that's a very famous movement for Seiko that Seiko makes. It has a 37mm case size and it has a black dial, which makes it more beautiful. If you make it dark, the lumes here glow in dark. I don't know if you can see this or not, but generally yes, they glow in dark. It has a day and date in the same window. As I said, that these are the attributes to a Seiko 5 watch. It is light, it's 120 gram weight. It has a hardlex crystal. It is tough enough for day-to-day use. It has a 11mm band size. So generally with the Asian watches or the Indian version of these watches, the total lug width, the total band width is 20mm, but you have to cut the 20mm band to this lug width size of 11mm, which is a problem. Generally in European versions, the lug is designed such that a complete 18mm strap gets fitted into this, and you can see this in the photograph that is present for comparison. So yeah, this is a 11mm band size. It has a 30mm water resistance and a 2-year warranty. How day and date needs to be changed. So if you push it for once, you will be able to change the date if you go clockwise. If you go anti-clockwise, you will be able to change the day. So clockwise date, anti-clockwise date, and if you pull it once more, you can change the time. Yes, so that's how it works. Many have also asked how to change the straps of the watch. So in one of my next videos, I will show how to change the strap of a Seiko 5 watch. And taking a final look of the watch, this is the unboxing and review of the Seiko SNKA 23K1. Hope you like the unboxing and review. Looking forward to seeing you in my next videos. So as you guys know, I am fascinated towards mechanical watches, and lately I have been a lot fascinated towards indigenous manufacturers, our Indian made watches. So recently I bought 2 watches for myself. These are the 2 HMT watches, one HMT Janta, one HMT Kohinoor. Both mechanical watches. I understand these are citizen made machines, but then both indigenous watches. So on to my next video. we will have the unboxing and review of one of these two indigenous HMT watches. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. It helps me and motivates me a lot to keep making more unboxing and reviews.